Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6 and today we will be presenting a topic about intangible asset. So my name is Warindra Kanina Anandari. My study number is 049. Let me hand it over who will explain this part first. So the characteristic of intangible asset issue is first, identifiable, 2, like physical extent, 3, not monetary asset. Normally classified as non-current asset. Common types of intangible: 1, marketing related, 2, customer related, 3, artistic related, 4, contract related, 5, technology related, 6, goodwill. Next is valuation. Purchase intangible. Record at cost include all acquisition cost plus expenditure to make the intangible asset ready for its intended use. Typical costs include first, purchase price, second, legal fees, third, other incidental expense. Next is internally created intangibles. Might include patents, computer software, copyright, and trademarks. Company expense are research-based costs and some development-based costs. Certain development costs are capitalized once economic viability criteria are met. IFRS identifies several specific criteria that must be met before development costs are capitalized. Next is internally created intangibles. In this picture, first is beginning of project, research phase, and then development phase, ready for sale or use. In the is expense. Next is capitalized economic viability. Next is amortization of intangible. Limited life intangibles, amortized by systematic charge to expense over useful life. Amortization expense should reflect the pattern in which the company consumes or uses up the asset. Credit asset account or accumulate amortization. Amortization should be cost less residual value. Company must evaluate the limited life intangibles annually for impairment. And then indefinite life intangible. No foreseeable limit on time the asset is expected to provide cash flow. No amortization. Must indefinite life intangible for impairment at least annually. Amortization of intangible. Type of intangible: limited life intangibles, indefinite life intangibles, manner accrued, purchase, capitalized, internally created expense, amortization over useful life, and do not amortize. Impairment test: compare recoverable amount to carrying value, compare recoverable amount to carrying a value. Next is type of intangible asset. 6 major categories. First, marketing related, 2, customer related, 3, artistic related, 4, contract related, 5, technology related, and 6 is goodwill. Okay, type of intangible asset. Marketing related intangible asset. Example, trademarks or trade names, newspaper, mastheads, internet domain names, and non-competition agreements. Under common law, the right to use a trademark or trade name rests exclusively with the original user as long as the original user continue to use it. And capitalized purchase price and no amortization. This is customer related intangible asset. Example, customer list, order to or production backlogs, and put contractual and non-contractual customer relationship. First, capitalist acquisition cost. 2. Amortize to expense over useful life. Okay, next is type of intangible asset. Illustration. Green Market AG acquires the customer list of a large newspaper for $6 million on January 1st, 2019. Green Market expects to benefit from the information evenly over a 3-year period. Record the purchase of the customer list and the amortization of the customer list for each year and the straight line basis. January 1st, 2019, customer list on debit is $6 million and credit cash is $6 million. December 31, 2019, amortization expense until 2020, amortization expense on debit $2 million, customer list on credit is $2 million. Thank you.
Next, artistic related intangible assets. Example, plays, literary works, musical work, pictures, photograph and video and audiovisual material. Copyright granted for the life of the creator plus 17 years. Capitalist cost of acquiring and defending. Amortized to expand over useful life is if less than the legal life. Contract related intangible asset. Example, franchise and licensing agreement, construction permit, broadcast right and service or supply contract. Franchise or license with a limited life should be amortized as operating expense over the life of the franchise. Franchise with an indefinite life should be carried at cost and not amortized. Technology related intangible asset. Example, patented technology and trade secret granted by a government body. Patent give holder exclusive use for a period of 20 years. Capitalist cost of purchasing a patent, expend all R&D cost and any development cost incurred before achieving economic viability. Amortize over legal life or useful life, whichever is shorter. Next, type of intangible asset. Harcourt CO incurs $180.000 in legal costs on January 1, 2019 to successfully defend a patent. The patent useful life is 10 tahun. Amortized on a straight line basis. Harcourt record the legal fees and the amortization at the end of 2019 as follows. January, debit patent 180, credit cash 180. Desember 31, patent amortization expense 18.000, patent or accumulated amortization 18.000. Next, goodwill conceptually represent the future economic benefit arising from the other asset acquired in a business combination that are not individually identified and separately recognized, only recorded when an entire business is purchased. Goodwill is measured as the excess of cost over the fair value of the identifiable net asset less liability acquired. Next, recording goodwill. Illustration, Fan decided that it needed a part division to supplement its existing tractor distributorship. The president of Fang is interested in buying Tractorlink SA. The illustration presents the statement of financial position of transaction of Tractorlink SA. Assets, property, plant and equipment net 153.000, inventory 42.000, account receivable 35.000, cash 25.000, total asset 255. Equity and liabilities, share capital 100.000, retained earnings 100.0, current liability 55.000, total equity and liability 255.000. Next, recording goodwill. investigate factoring underlying assets to determine their fair values. Property, plant and equipment net 105.000, patents 18.000, inventory 122.000, account receivable 35.000, cash 25.000, liability 55.000 minus. Fair value of net assets 350.000. Next, illustration determination of goodwill. Assigned to purchase price 400.000, property, plant and equipment net 105, patent 18.000, inventory 122.000, account receivable 35.000, cash 25.000, liabilities 55.000. Fair value of net 150, identifiable asset, purchase price 400.000, value assigned to goodwill 50.000. Next, goodwill. Goodwill write-off. Goodwill considered to have an indefinite life, should not be amortized. Only adjust carrying value when goodwill is impaired. Bargain purchase. Purchase price less than the fair value of net assets acquired. Amount is recorded as a gain by the purchaser. Next, impairment of intangible asset. An intangible asset is impaired when a company is not able to recover the asset carrying amount either through using it or by selling it. The specific procedure of recording impairment depends on the type of intangible asset: 1. Limited life, or 2. Indefinite life, including goodwill. Next, impairment of limited life intangible. The rules that apply to impairment of property, plant and equipment also apply to limited life intangible. The impairment loss is the carrying amount of the asset less the recoverable amount of the impaired asset. Next, impairment of limited life intangible. Fair value less cost to sell means what the asset could be sold for after deducting cost of disposal. Value in use is the present value of cash flow expected from the future use and eventual sale of the asset at the end of its useful life.
Next, impairment of limited life intangible. International. Let's discuss further on how the year of Silverwood with a carry value of 5 juta and the end of 2018 Universal Silverwood list no slide or December adversely of the demand for sales technology indication that the pattern is impairment less determine the receivable amount for the pattern based on value in was because there is quantity market for the part. We assume the purchase value is was as 2 juta based on the discount experiment adverse to cash value at the market rate of interest. Metlet 3 juta impairment loss, carry ammonia 5 juta, recoverable amount itu ada 2 juta, variable less cost to sell on value in usernya yaitu ada 2 juta. Next slide. 3 juta impairment loss-nya. Carry amount-nya yaitu 5 juta. Recoverable-nya amount ada 2 juta. Jadi, our portfolio entry to record the impairment loss on impairment-nya di sebelah debit yaitu ada 3 juta. Patrons-nya di sebelah kredit ada 3 juta. Kenapa 3 juta? Karena 5 juta dikurang 2 juta yaitu 3 juta. Next slide. Next slide, the carry value of the further impairment is 2 juta. Large amount region is 400.000 dikurang 2 juta dibagi 5. For the remaining figures of the purchase list, the amortization, accomplish and carry amount after the improvement is shown below. Di sini ada 5 tahun dari tahun 2019. Amortization-nya expand yaitu ada 400.000. Carry amount-nya yaitu ada 1.600.000. Dari mana 1.600.000? Dari 2 juta dikurang sama 4 juta, yaitu hasilnya jadi 6 juta diletak di current amount. Selanjutnya begitu. Hasil dari current amount-nya yaitu 1.600.000 dikurang lagi sama 400.000. Selanjutnya seperti itu terus. Next slide. Real yang 2020 based on improving condition in the market for slab all technology rate reconcile the recoverable amount the purchase to be 1.750.000 in the case risk frequency portfolio of the reconciliation. Jadi di sini masih sama seperti yang slide sebelumnya, yaitu dari 5 tahun dari tahun 2019 hingga tahun 2023. Amount expense-nya yaitu sama, masih dalam 400.000. Di sini sama seperti slide sebelumnya tadi. Next slide. Other than goodwill, shown better for improvement or less annually improvement there is the smart out the far limit live integrables that is compared the recoverable amount of the interviewees asset with the asset carrying value. If the recoverable amount is less the recovery amount, the company requires of improvement. Next slide. Insurance Arcon Radio purchase a broadcast license for 2 juta. The license is refundable for di sini ada 10 tahun. Arcon Radio has worked the license with the GCC to its at a minimal cost because it offers cost forward to life interval or repost the list of an individual live interval asset. Likely the kicker to accord to this liken to the is whether it of never to be of Rico account to of similar license account radio existence the very valueless cost to sleep. The recoverable amount of is likened to be 1.200.000. Jadi carry volume broadcast license yaitu ada 2 juta. Recoverable amount-nya yaitu 1.500.000. Recoverable amount-nya itu dikurang. Jadi 2 juta dikurang 1.500.000 yaitu 500.000 sebagai loss improvement. Next, improvement of goodwill. Companies must the goodwill at least annually improvement that is conferred because of the cost generation unit to table assume cost generation units small either variable group of asset the genetic cost flow. Estimation of the recoverable amount for goodwill improvement is usually because on value is assessments, goodwill improvement was recovered or not improvement. Illustration Cowboy has the definition of purchase and definition pre-product for years of for 2 million unvariably free upfront to operation less over the last the firm global management in revenue the definition the cost generation unit For purchase of the only improvement, the chain lists the print definition net asset, the country, the record goodwill of 900.000 for the purchase. Jadi, preferred plant and equipment atau netnya yaitu adalah 800.000, goodwillnya 900.000, inventory 700.000, receivable-nya ada 300.000, kasnya 200.000, account and not payable-nya yaitu 500.000. Jadi 800.000 ditambah 900.000 ditambah 700.000 ditambah 300.000 ditambah 200.000 dan dikurang sama 500.000. Jadi net asetnya yaitu 2.400.000. Kalau determine the recoverable amount for the print definition to be 2.800.000 because value and no estimate, yaitu 2.400.000 di carry amount, recoverable amount-nya yaitu 2.800.000. Ini no improvement, jadi dia tidak ada improvementnya. Unknown atau di situ volume index-nya 2.800.000. Next slide. Assuming the recoverable amount for the print definition is 1.900.000, income of 2.800.000, jadi improvement loss-nya ada 500.000. Carrying amount yaitu ada 2.400.000, recoverable amount yaitu ada 1.900.000. Jadi value in ownernya ada 1.900.000. Itu dia tetap ya guys. Next slide. Assuming the recoverable amount for the print definition is 1.900.000, income for 2.800.000. Improvement loss-nya yaitu ada 500.000. Carry amount-nya 2.400.000. Recoverable amount-nya itu 1.900.000. Jadi 2.400.000 dikurang sama 1.900.000 itu hasilnya 500.000. Jadi column marks the following entry to record the improvement. Jadi journaling-nya yaitu loss improvement. Ini di sebelah debit ada 500.000, goodwill-nya di sebelah di credit ada 500.000.
Presentation of intangible asset, statement of financial position. Yang pertama ada company should report as a separate item all intangible asset other than goodwill. Yang kedua ada reporting is similar to the reporting of property, plant, equipment. Lalu yang terakhir ada contract account are not normally shown for intangible. Lalu untuk income statement-nya, di mana yang pertama ada amortization expense, yang kedua ada impairment loss and reversals. For intangible assets other than goodwill separately in net income, usually in the operating sections. Notes to the financial statement should include the amortization expense for each type of asset. Lalu di sini ada presentation of intangible asset untuk reporting of property, plant, and equipment dari perusahaan Nestle. Jadi untuk income statement for the year ended 31 Desember 2015, amortization expense-nya sebesar 317, impairment of goodwill-nya sebesar 338. Untuk balance sheet pada 31 Desember 2015, goodwill sebesar 32.772, intangible asset-nya sebesar 19.236. Research and development costs untuk intangible asset frequently result in the development of patent of copyright such as new. Yang pertama ada produk, yang kedua ada proses, yang ketiga ada idea, yang keempat ada formula, yang kelima ada composition, dan yang terakhir ada literature.
di sini ada R&D cost. Companies spend considerable sums on research and development. Pada perusahaan Samsung untuk penjualan milionnya sebesar 195,9, R&D salesnya yaitu 7,20%. Lalu untuk R&D cost yang pertama ada research cost must be expensed as incurred. Yang kedua ada development cost may or may not be expensed as incurred. Yang ketiga ada capitalization begins when the project is far enough along in the process such that the economic benefit of the R&D project will flow to the company. The project is economically viable. R&D costs yang pertama ada research activities, original and planned investigation undertaken with the prospect of gaining new scientific or technical knowledge and understanding. Untuk example, laboratory research aimed at discover of new knowledge, searching for application of new research findings. Lalu untuk development activities, application of research findings or other knowledge to a plan or design for the production of new or substantially improved material, devices, product, process, system, or service before the start of commercial production or use. Lalu untuk contohnya, conceptual formulation and design of possible product or process alternative, construction or prototypes, and operation of pilot plants. Untuk accounting for R&D activities, cost associated with R&D activities. Yang pertama ada material, equipment and facilities. Yang kedua ada personel. Yang ketiga ada purchase intangible. Yang keempat ada contract service. Dan yang terakhir ada indirect cost. Untuk accounting for R&D activities, tipe of expenditure-nya yang pertama ada construction of long-range research facility for use in current and future project, 3-story 400.000 square floor building. Lalu untuk accounting treatment-nya capitalize and depreciate as R&D expense. Yang kedua untuk tipe yaitu acquisition of R&D equipment for use on a current project only. Untuk accountingnya expense immediately as R&D. Untuk tipe yang ketiga ada acquisition of machinery for use on current and future R&D project. Untuk accountingnya yaitu capitalize and depreciate as R&D expense. Research and development cost similar to R&D cost. Yang pertama ada startup cost for a new operation. Yang kedua ada initial operating loss. Yang ketiga ada vesting cost. These costs are expense as incurred similar to the accounting for R&D cost. R&D cost untuk tabel 8.12.17 di mana cost of equipment acquired that will have alternative use in future R&D project over the next 5 tahun use straight line depreciation yaitu sebesar $330.000 untuk R&D expense-nya yaitu $330.000 tadi dibagi dengan 5 tahun maka hasilnya $66.000. Lalu untuk material konsum in R&D project yaitu sebesar $59.000. Untuk consulting fees paid to outsider for R&D project sebesar $100.000. Personal cost involved in R&D project yaitu sebesar $128.000. Untuk indirect cost reasonably allocable to R&D project yaitu $50.000, material purchase for future R&D project yaitu $34.000, maka hasil akhir untuk R&D expense-nya yaitu sebesar $403.000. Jadi di sini ada tabel dari presentation of R&D costs. Company should disclose the total R&D costs charged to expense each period. Untuk perusahaan GlaxoSmithKline Million pada 31 Desember 2015. Turnover yaitu 23.923 pounds. Cost of sales-nya dikurangin 8.853. Gross profit-nya 15.070. Selling general and administrative itu dikurangin 9.232. Research and development itu dikurangin 3.560. Royalty income-nya sebesar 329. Other operating income-nya sebesar 7.715. Dan terakhir untuk operating profit-nya hasilnya yaitu total akhirnya 10.322 pounds.